FAST ICA unveiling hidden factors in data. FAST ICA Fast Independent Component Analysis is a powerful algorithm in the field of machine learning and signal processing, designed to extract statistically independent components from a multivariate signal. It is a cornerstone of blind source separation, a technique used to recover original signals from a mixture of those signals without prior knowledge of the mixing process. The core idea: FAST ICA seeks to identify a set of independent components ICs that, when linearly combined, produce the observed data. The key assumption is that the ICs are statistically independent, meaning that their joint distribution can be expressed as the product of their marginal distributions. How it works. 1. Initialization. The algorithm starts by initializing a set of mixing matrices that represent potential transformations of the data. 2. Iterative optimization. A series of iterations is performed to find the best mixing matrices that satisfy the statistical independence constraint. Central role of non-Gaussianity. FAST ICA leverages the fact that independent components are typically non-Gaussian distributed. The algorithm seeks to maximize the non-Gaussianity of the estimated ICs by using a contrast function, such as negatropy. Fixed point iteration. Each iteration involves projecting the data onto the current mixing matrices, and then maximizing the contrast function with respect to the mixing matrices. This process is repeated until the contrast function reaches a maximum, indicating that the estimated ICs are as independent as possible. Key features and advantages. Efficiency. FAST ICA is computationally efficient, particularly for large datasets. Robustness. The algorithm can handle noisy data and is relatively insensitive to outliers. Flexibility. FAST ICA can be applied to a wide range of data types, including time series, images, and audio signals. Interpretability. The extracted ICs often provide meaningful insights into the underlying structure of the data. Applications. Signal processing. Separating speech from noise, removing artifacts from EEG signals, and denoising images. Machine learning. Feature extraction, dimensionality reduction, and blind source separation in various applications. Medical imaging. Identifying distinct brain regions based on fMRI signals. Biomedical engineering. Analyzing gene expression data and extracting relevant biomarkers. Finance. Decomposing stock market movements into independent factors. Implementation in scikit-learn. The FAST ICA class in scikit-learn provides a simple and convenient way to perform FAST ICA analysis. Here's a basic example. Python. From sklearn. Decomposition. Import FAST ICA. From sklearn. Datasets. Import makeblobs. Import matplotlib. pyplot as plt. Generate synthetic data with 3 independent components. X. Makeblobs. N samples 1000. N features 3. Centers 3. Random state 42. Initialize FAST ICA with 3 components. ICA FAST ICN components 3. Fit the model to the data. ICA FitX. Extract the independent components. SICA TransformX. Plot the original data and the extracted components. PLT Figure Fig size 10. 5. PLT Subplot 121. PLT SCATX 0. X 1. PLT Title Original Data. PLT Subplot 122. PLT Scatters 0. S 1. PLT Title Independent Components. PLT Tight Layout. PLT Show. Important considerations. Choosing the number of components. The number of components to extract is a critical parameter. It's often determined by prior knowledge about the data, or by trying different numbers and evaluating the results. Initialization. The initialization of the mixing matrices can affect the convergence of the algorithm. It's often beneficial to try multiple initializations. Contrast function. The choice of contrast function influences the independence measure used in PEI algorithm. Common choices include negatropy and kurtosis. Conclusion. FastICA is a powerful tool for extracting independent components from data, with broad applications in various fields. Understanding its core principles and implementation allows you to leverage its capabilities for extracting meaningful insights from complex datasets.